Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I don't know why I'm picking up, like, this person who was moving slow, they were confused. And I feel like it was just there was a lot of people in y'all business, is what I'm getting. Yeah, but see, I feel like this person is confident now. They know what they want, but they're scared that they're not going to be able to have this new beginning with you. Tell me more. So, yeah, this person is basically weighing up. I feel like, okay, this is the thing. I feel like it's not so much like weighing up another person, trying to figure out, do I want him or do I want her, whatever. I feel like it's a situation to where this person now sees that they left you out in the cold. It's the second time I'm seeing this card. So it's like they're trying to figure out what's the best way to come back to approach you, to give you some type of truth, because it's like they make you happy, you make them happy, and so they're trying to figure out, okay, what should I say to Cancer? How should I approach Cancer? I done messed up. I done said this out my mouth like, ooh, okay, well, I don't know, because this person gonna cuss me out. Yeah, Cancer, y'all know y'all be giving it to people, so don't be sitting there acting like, you know, y'all all innocent, because if that was the case, I wouldn't be picking this up. So, y'all look crazy, but I love it. So, they're like, okay, I don't know what to say to this person, what to do. Yeah, because look, you walked away from them. Somebody walked away. Somebody walked away. And so, yeah, whoever was the person that messed up, they're regretting. This is them right here. They're regretting it, because now it's like after you walked away from them, like you cut them off, they feel like everything that you guys have built is gone, you know? Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I'm telling y'all, somebody was interfering. It could have been someone's mother that was interfering here as well, or a motherly figure. But I'm telling you, somebody was interfering between this connection. This is why I told you I saw somebody in someone's ear, or it's just like a lot of people in y'all business. Could be dealing with the Cancer. Cancer on Cancer, okay. But I just feel like somebody's ready to move forward. They want to move forward, but they just don't have a peace of mind. Maybe they don't have a peace of mind about what they did to you, and or they don't have a peace of mind about their finances right now. But let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, this person here, they're not taking a leap. Because I feel like they haven't completely removed themselves out of some type of situation. But this was a lesson that they had to go through. Could have been dealing with a Virgo. But this person is thinking, and I'm getting hot all of a sudden. Oh my God. All right, Spirit, come on. But this person has definitely been doing a lot of soul searching. They've been doing a lot of thinking and reflecting. And that's why it's like they're clear about what they need to do, but I feel like they're trying to figure out how to execute their plans. Due to the fact that, yeah, there was some type of breakup here. Tell me about the Two of Cups. Okay. Yeah, there was a breakup. And it could have been, for some of you guys, that this person was being a player in the past. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But if not, this is just basically saying that this person now knows what he or she needs to do. This person's getting ready to take the lead to come back towards you. Remember I told y'all this person was moving slow. Tell me more. Y'all cut this person off. I don't blame you. Like, if this person was acting up, they were moving slow, couldn't make up their mind, y'all cut them off. Y'all are the Queen of Swords. And she's reversed. I'm telling you, could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but y'all cut this person off. And it's like, y'all aren't worried about it anymore. I feel like you guys were in your head, like, what am I supposed to do? He or she isn't doing this, or I don't know, whatever. It's like, y'all are done. Y'all are healing. You're moving on. See? And it's like this person wants to come back to balance things out with you, Cancer, but at the same time, they're scared that they're not going to have a victory with you due to the fact that they put you in some type of third-party situation. And see, they're having a hard time about that. See, oh, yeah, y'all, oh, girl. I said girl. Okay. Y'all like, y'all my homegirls, okay? Or homeboys. But listen, this person is definitely regretting their actions. And they're having a hard time with it, because now it's like, they're seeing their actions for what it is, and they're regretting it. And it's like this person, if you guys haven't heard from this person, they could be thinking about coming back, or if they came back trying to speak their truth or give you some type of half truth, whatever the case is, somebody could have shut it down, okay? And now they're like, wait. Cancer has always been there. You know, if we've taken a break or we haven't talked for a couple of days, weeks, months, whatever, and when I come back, they're always here with open arms, ready to hear me out, ready to listen to me, they're asking me questions because I have a hard time speaking my truth. Now, when they came back like they normally do, if you guys have been dealing with this person off and on for a while, which I'm picking up for a lot of you, that is the case, y'all shut it down. Y'all not entertaining it, and I feel like a lot of you guys weren't being mean or nasty with it. Maybe been a little petty, but mean and nasty, no. So, it's like if this person has come back, y'all literally shut it down. Y'all like, you know what, all right, thanks for your little apology, whatever that was, but listen, I'm good, I'm not doing this, I'm moving on, take care, bye-bye, you know? And so now, they're having a hard time with that, and they want to come back to give you an offer, but see, it's a small offer, and we don't accept pages, okay? We don't do that, so you better come in as a king. So, I'm talking like I'm a Cancer today. Well, listen, it could be a situation to where they have to come back in with a small offer right now because, like I said, you guys cut them off, right? And they know that you don't trust them. This could go vice versa, take it however it fits. But yeah, I feel like some of you guys could have gone back to school, or some of you guys just focusing on your finances. But I do feel like whoever messed up, they're going to come back to give you the truth. They want to speak their truth to you. Could be dealing with a Pisces. Tell me more. See, I'm telling you, this person wants to put in the hard work to fix things. Let me see. The way that Hierophant came out, could be dealing with a Taurus. But see, this person definitely wants a commitment with you. But for some of them, they had to get out of some other type of commitment that they were in, whether it's they were committed to helping someone, they were in a relationship, they were married. But if that doesn't apply, they're just scared that you don't want them anymore. Like, y'all, I'm telling you, cut them off. Clarify the Hierophant reverse, please. Let's just see. See? Oof. Alright, so listen. This person wants to balance things out with you, but for some of you guys, I am picking up this person is either married or because this person is trying to, like, they want to give you everything. They now know it's like you're their person. They want to be with you, but they done did something because now they got to give money out to this other person, or it's something like that. So for some of you guys, maybe this person was married or is married, and maybe they're going through a divorce or they're starting that process, and they're afraid that they're not going to have stability to the point where they can take care of you, even though you guys don't need to be kept because y'all are bosses. But what I'm saying is, as a man or a woman, whatever, they want to come with something. So they're nervous because I feel like somebody has to give out some type of money here, whether it's marriage, child support, getting out of like a lease, you know, if they got a business together, if somebody was helping someone out, financially speaking, a family member, it could be anything because it's a lot of y'all. But that's what I'm seeing here. Listen. See, this person is frustrated. They can't sleep because they made the biggest mistake of their life. I'm telling, this is y'all soulmate or twin. I'm telling y'all. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. I love how the king and queen are just right here, but, you know, neither here nor there. Alright, so, this person definitely doesn't want you to cut them off because they want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. But they're just not communicating that to you right now. Why is that? They're back and forth. It's like they're trying to stay positive, but to be honest with you, Cancer, they're not. Tell me more. Yeah, they have to make a decision. Okay, cards. They have to make a decision here. Or they're waiting on some type of judgment. If they are going through some type of court situation, they're waiting to hear back some type of verdict. Clarify. Let's just see. Yeah. Y'all, this is money. Who did I just do? Taurus? Yeah. There's money here. This person definitely wants things to improve with you, but at the same time, oh my gosh, look at that. I have two y'all. Okay, so listen. Even though this person doesn't know what to do or how to approach you, they definitely want things to improve. I've been seeing this shift or feeling this shift for a little while now, like the last week and a half. So what's going on is like these karmic cycles that this person has been going through or you guys have been going through together, like it's coming to an end. It's wrapping up and I love it. It's wrapping up. Yeah, this person just is like, they keep thinking about what they did to you in the past. They definitely want a future with you. And this is telling me that, yeah, now they're using their intuition. It's like, I feel like the universe showed them something. And see, they want to move fast. Look at that. They want to come in and rush in really fast because they are scared you are going to walk away from them for good. Why is the Seven of Cups here? The truth is coming out. This person is going to give you some type of truth. Somebody they could have had multiple options. And you guys could have found out, or if you didn't know, you felt it. And that's why you guys walked away for a lot of you guys. But, yeah, there's some type of truth coming out. Could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here, please? Hold on one second. Let me make sure. Clarify the Ten of Cups. See what I'm saying? I knew it. That's why I said wait. There's two women here. See what I'm saying? Like, somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But there's a situation here where, oh, y'all, I'm getting a lot, so just bear with me, okay? So listen. This person could have been dealing with someone else just for finances. It was like some type of codependent situation. And they could have had children together. This person could be married to them. It's like some type of like home or family situation going on. And I feel like they now see the truth. They're going to give you the truth about this. Because for some of you guys, you don't really know what's going on. But for a lot of you, you do know. But yeah, somebody was in some type of third-party situation. Whether it was with someone that they have kids with. Or this could have been like their mother. Or it was just somebody's here, you know. And that's the problem. See, this person couldn't give you an offer. Because the way they handled the situation, it was like they were being very childish and immature. And they're seeing that now. Some of you guys could be dealing with someone who is younger than you. But see, this person is trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. And I feel like that's why they're moving slow. Because when they come back and they get out of whatever this is, they don't want this drama to come back towards, you know, what you guys are trying to build if you decide to give this person another chance. Yeah, because see, they know that they left you out in the cold. And they know that they caused an imbalance in the situation. And this is why you dropped them. This is why you let it go. And see, it's like when you drop them, Cancer, now they're going to come back to give you a secure offer. It's whatever, it's everything that you want. But they're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them. This person went through karma. And guess what? They got their lesson. They learned it. Now they're ready to move forward. See, some of y'all, they're getting a divorce. Some of y'all, this is not for everybody. Somebody was married here. Somebody was definitely married and they're going through a divorce. That's why I saw like breaking up of a family, or they have children, or it's something like that. Somebody's going through a divorce. This could be, if that's not your situation, it could be the simple fact that this person wants to give you an offer, but they're going through some type of court battle. And I feel like they were waiting on a decision. And I feel like they're getting ready to come out of that. So in order for them to move forward. So take it however it fits. Could be dealing with a Libra. I do have a Capricorn here. Why is the Devil here? Is that fear? Yeah. Somebody's scared.